Hi, you're known. You guys are subscribing and everything to Parakeet Freak 22. Obviously, I'm telling you to I'm making more videos. So obviously, I'm making one now. I'm answering all your questions right now. Like, how to teach a bird to fly back to you. Well, first of all, you need some seeds that they really like. It's their favorite type. And then you need like some treats, some toys, and a lot of attention. So if you have like more than one bird, then you gotta take the rest of them like out so that one bird that you're training right there can pay attention to you. So that's all I have to say about training one bird at a time. Thanks, and that's how you're gonna teach your bird to fly back to you.